Hey Apple fans! A leaked iPhone 17 Pro battery prototype with a steel enclosure and L-shaped design just dropped, and it's got us hyped. Is this a game changer for the iPhone 17 series? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this juicy leak. Tipster Mash and Boot leaked a picture of the iPhone 17 Pro's battery prototype, revealing a steel-encased L-shaped design just weeks before the expected September launch. With better heat dissipation and easier repairs, is this Apple's next big move? Keep watching. The leaked iPhone 17 Pro battery sports an L-shaped steel enclosure, boosting heat dissipation and chassis strength. It's designed to integrate with MagSafe charging coils for efficiency. The design varies by market. The US eSIM-only version has a wider battery, while China's version is narrower to fit a physical SIM tray. Standout feature: the steel casing's welded edge uses electricity-induced adhesive debonding tech, making battery replacements faster and easier with a small current to loosen adhesive. This could streamline repairs. Big win for users and technicians alike, although it's not confirmed for the final iPhone 17 Pro. These link hints at Apple's focus on durability, performance, and user-friendly repairs for the iPhone 17 series, including the 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and 17 Air, set to launch next month. The L-shaped battery could set a new standard for the iPhone design. Will it live up to the hype? The iPhone 17 series drops next month, likely September 9th. Stay tuned for Apple's official reveal. Are you excited for the iPhone 17 Pro's new battery or curious about the Air? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the iPhone 17 Pro's leaked battery prototype. Are you hyped for this steel-encased upgrade or waiting for the official launch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.